As part of the preparedness initiative for SAS Chicago, leadership commissioned the use of anti-tank rockets. A set of requirements for construction were submitted. The launcher needed to be transportable, operate without a remote line, small enough to deploy with field players, and most important was user-friendly fire controls. The first full production model used by SAS Chicago was the Mark I Falcon. Named after its builder, the Falcon is a lightweight, single-shot capacity launcher with an external CO2 power source. Though it met the requirements, it had several drawbacks. Namely, the external fire controls made firing the Falcon awkward, often leading to missed targets. Additionally, the parts needed for construction and repair were very specific as to ensure proper operation without placing the handler in danger. Taking feedback and data from different operations, the newly developed ATO-007 was created. The ATO-007 is composed of lighter materials and is powered by a 40 mm shell. This change grants the handler optional use of CO2, HPA, green gas, or propane depending. Boasting a singular design with all firing controls and power sources internal, it eliminated the faults in the previous model. With plenty of field use, the ATO-007 has become the frontline launcher for SAS Chicago.